Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Kindergarten Video Lectures. Let's explore, learn and have fun together on this exciting educational journey. It's story time.
The boy saw a fox on his box. Ox was eating grass nearby. The boy was scared but remembered what his father said. Don't be afraid of a fox.
Let's meet with new sounds.
X, x, x,
Let's do actions with me.
x, x. Take an X-ray. X, x. Take an X-ray. X, x. Take an X-ray. X-ray of my hand.
Every object has an initial sound. Like
Box, fox, ox. X, x. Box, x, x. Fox, x, x. Ox. Dear kids, what do you know about fox? Do fox make good pets?
see you in the next lesson.